Alright, problem 5. I asked you guys to work again on your own. I've worked it out here. Here is the correct answer. Quite a few of you missed it. I'm going to go through the steps and I'm going to leave this up here so you can copy it down. I'm going to number the steps so you can see them. The first thing I did was I saw this left side is not a PST because the square root of 100 is 10, 10 doubled is 20. So it's not a PST, and you can't have a negative there if it's a PST. So I added 100 to both sides, step 1. Then I had this. X squared plus 8x equals 95. I took half of 8, which is 4, and I squared it, which is 16. And then I added 16 to the left, and I added 16 to the right. So now I have x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals 95 plus 16. I added those and got 111. And then I factored this by what we call perfect square trinomial. The square root of x squared is x. The square root of 16 is 4. 4 times x is 4x, doubled is 8x, so it works. Then I took the square root of both sides. When I take the square root of the left, it just cancels the square. When I take the square root of the right, I have to put plus or minus in front of it. Okay. Now, I knew that 111 was divisible by 3 because 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and 3 goes into 3. So I factored it, and it was 3 times 37. So there's nothing to pull out. I have to leave it the square root of 111. So I write my two baby equations. X plus 4 equals the positive square root of 111, and x plus 4 equals the negative square root of 111. I move the 4 to the other side by making it negative 4 and putting it in front. So my two final answers are negative 4 plus the square root of 111, negative 4 minus the square root of 111. And that was problem number 5 from the extra practice you did on Friday. Okay. So let's see. Baby equations were number 8 and my answer is number 9. Okay. Now, one last one that a lot of people missed was number 10 on Friday. So if you will be so kind to work for me now, problem 10, and then come back for a third video. X squared plus 12x minus 97 equals 2. X squared plus 12x minus 97 equals